How to switch to survival mode in Minecraft PC. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys, so let's just get started right away. It's actually super easy to do. I'm over here inside of a single player world, as you guys can see, and I'm in creative mode. Now, before we can actually get started, we need to make sure that we have cheats and commands enabled inside of our single player world. Now, how can we actually change that? Well, first of all, you could actually do that when you were creating your new world. But if you want to change that later, instead of changing it once you have created or while creating your world, what you need to do is press escape on your keyboard, click on open to LAN. Then here you want to make sure that the cheats or the commands are on, and then start a LAN world. Via that way, you have now enabled commands. If you are looking to host a Minecraft server with your friends, for example, for the 2-week Minecraft phase, then please check out Apex Hosting. I will leave a link in the description or the pinned comments under this YouTube video. Now, Apex Hosting has a 25% off if you use this code for your very first month, and you can get started for as cheap as $6 per month. So then what we can do is, there's actually two methods, by the way. The first one is by clicking the function keys on your keyboard. Now, if you have a 60% keyboard, this might be a little bit hard for you to do. If you have an 80 or 100% keyboard, where you can easily see the function keys like the F1 to F12, then it's actually super easy. Simply hold F3 and then press F4. So now we have this option over here. Now you want to keep on holding F3, and with F4 we can go to the next one. So here we can select with F4, select survival mode, and then simply release your finger off the F3 button. And there we go. We have now changed our game mode to that. So now if you hold F3 again, click F4 once, it is automatically set to creative mode, release, and then there we go. So it's actually super easy. You can switch between this really fast. As you can see, I'm just clicking those two buttons over and over again. And by that way, I easily changed. But if you have a 60% keyboard, this might be a little bit annoying. So in order to change the game mode to survival mode on such a keyboard, simply press / and then game mode space, and then go to survival. You can type that in. This will immediately change your game mode to survival. Now, what you can also do is / game mode, and then you can go with your arrow keys and press tab, and then it will just fill it in just like that. So that is the other method to change your game mode to survival. So that is pretty much it. That is how to change your game mode to survival on Minecraft PC.